Well, unlike that waterlogged Lautoka where they played their regular season match a few weeks ago, conditions are much better this time. Greg Clark with you, Caleb Munster's alongside me, and also Sam Wykes, and the lineups. Well, we'll start with the Force.
Yeah, Bullock Clarkie, it is a bumper crowd, and the Western Force, we were looking for a lot of experience in the number 4 jersey. Leonard, she'll be partnering Ebbage. They'll be the go-to line-out options, and also Tamika Jones. I think her go-forward is going to be vital to penetrate this Drua defence.
Yeah, and in the backs, I'm looking at number 9, Sammy Wood. She's a bit of a sharpshooter off the boot, and that could prove to be the difference in today's game. And not forgetting Captain Jolene Pomare, who's always leading from the front. Leads the team in carries, she leads the team in carry meters, and she'll be vital in her team's go-forward.
And the home team.
Yeah, the home team, again, it's that lock battle that I'm looking forward to. Jade Coates has been outstanding, and the famous last name, Serevi. Those two will be important come line-out time and their work ethic on the field, but also their captain, Naisewa, her ball carries again.
Yeah, they're loving it. They've got the fields, they've got the facilities, they've got the gym and everything, so I think it's making a real difference in their preparation and their season so far.
Wow, listen to the roar for the Fijian Drua women. The semi-final is underway in Suva. And this one... Olumu puts it in, and the penalty goes to the Western Force. Oh yeah, they are happy. Sets it up again. Kasharagi, and a big tackle coming in from Koravata.
Advantage.
But advantage is being played. Ebbage.
No, we're not going anywhere. Time off.
Referee wants time off.
Take a step for me, please.
And Koravata missed a game or two because of concussion protocols. She's back.
So, number 1, Green is always high.
Yep.
She's made a tackle and she's made indirect contact with the head.
Yep, so we're at yellow card.
Yep.
Okay, 1 green, please. And captain. Okay. So into the tackle, you're always high. No attempt to drop your body height. You made indirect contact to the head. It'll be a yellow card.
Wow. Pretty much in front. It's a nice strike, it's over, and the Western Force women have the early lead in Suva. 3 points to 0. Good looking strike, but she's pushed it wide. Very well easy. Uno from in front, and she has missed it.
Set!
Olumu puts it in. Picked up at the back by the captain. I'd say what? Nowhere to go, so she heads forwards. Short side. And Milania finally with a bit of room to move. Coming back on the inside, they don't bring it down. Milania, Adita with the ball, lays it back.
No advantage.
Advantage is being played. Can they get it right to the speedsters? There's Buda with the fend, and she is over! The celebrations begin in Suva, Fiji. First 5-pointer of the match. Milania. The Force looking to hit back and putting it through the hands, bringing Nonna up from fullback, and then a cracking tackle, but it was a bit high according to the referee, so advantage is being played for the Force. Comes around nicely, it's over.
You're always going to be penalised, so just being able to tighten that inside hip up. Connection with the hooker will make things better for them.
And then play on it is a try to the Western Force, and it's Suatiti Maaki. Well, she played to the whistle. The Drua could not control that one. It wasn't going to find touch, and then they just stopped. It was picked up by Maake, and the Tongan representative is in for the try. Advantage is being played. Waisanger involved again. Lumu, can they finish this first half with a real flourish? The Fijian Drua women. It's the Force leading by 11 points to 5, up to the 5-metre mark. Still advantage being played. No need to panic. Pick and go. Desperate defence required by the Western Force. Who wants it?
Hands up, hands up.
And Koravana's going to back herself. And over she goes. It is a try. A try to the Fijian Drua right on the stroke of half-time. The crowd, wow, they love it.
Yeah, exactly what they're best at. They get into the right part of the field and they go through the middle of teams. They've got big, strong girls. They just carry hard, carry through the contact. It all started from that lineup. Jade Coates got the steal at the lineup. I don't know if the people at home heard, but she was yelling out, me, me, me. She knew exactly where that ball was going at their lineup. And when you give the Drua territory and when you give them possession, they're going to score points.
And an interesting first half for Koravata. The prop spent 10 in the bin. And now she's got 5 on the scoreboard. Too big and strong from that distance. You can see she looked up. She was always going to have a crack, wasn't she?
Yeah, she had a look at her mate on the side, but I think you can see from here that she was going to carry that ball and she was going for that try.
And the conversion attempt. Oh, it's missed again. So, off the tee, it's been a bad first half for the Drua. Big inclusion there. Batila Tawaki, former captain, has come off the bench for the Drua. She's been playing for Waikato.
On the body.
Cut out pass, Jones. Good run.
Keep coming, keep coming.
Oh, and then a mistake.
Hang on.
Penalty.
No, 8 green offside, clearly impeded the ball carrier.
So that's the word. Blocked out the crowd. Send it down the middle, she says, and it's over. Good tackle from Koravata. Wood throwing the dummy. Taken by Samate Serebi. Penalty. Took an eternity, but it is play on quickly. Wako, Uno, and through their hands they go. Wasa, they continue to work to the short side. Lumu got the ball away to Buna! The flying Buna! Buna the bullet, call you up! Oh my goodness, she has got jet shoes.
Yeah, she's in again. She scored in the first half. I said it won't be the last one she's got, and she's got 5 in the last 3 games. Get the ball into her hands, and I think the Drua will do really well this game.
Oh yeah, she loves the celebration as well. Latte, Buna. Oh, let's see. Uno. Can she extend the lead? There's the strike. It's over. At long last, they've kicked one. Penalty to the Drua. The other semi is between the Waratahs and the Brumbies. Vivi Senakaridi puts it in. They're going to put it through the hands. Buna. Straight through. Let the crowd tell the story yet again. Bullet Buna. The Wonder Woman with the jet shoes. And she runs the Fijian Drua women into another decider. Outstanding. Hat-trick. Oh, hat-trick for Buna. She is world class. The Fijian Drua women Kanita. It's over, and it is full time. The party won't go forever because there's still the men's game to come, the Drua and the Hurricanes, but for now, it is a joyous crowd.